Hey there, everybody. How's it going? My voice is starting to come back from the illness I had last week, and that's wonderful, and I'm feeling better, and that's fantastic. So I decided to go through my images for 2026 with a less finer tooth comb is the way to put that, in the sense that I loosened up a little bit in terms of my criticalness regarding which images I thought were good and versus bad. And so these are all the images in a slideshow that so far for the year 2026 since January that I've taken that I think are fairly decent. So the original 6 or 7 that made the first cut I think are you know, portfolio, but the rest of them are ones that I don't know, they could be portfolio level. I don't know. I think that they're good, but how good is the question. But I think they're good enough, but they don't just scream to me immediately portfolio. But then again, I think I'm too critical. Anyway, so it's something we all fight against, I think, although some photographers post stuff that is like, really? Whatever. And, the first image in the series is not a portfolio level image, but it's just an interesting image because it's ISO 51000 taken of my porch at night with my OM system cameras. And now I did run it through DxO Deep Prime, I get that. But like, really? I mean, geez, you know, it's better than 3200 on a full frame. So where are we? You know, you can shoot micro four thirds at 51,000 ISO, run it through DxO, and it looks great. So, and I'm not just talking about like, oh, you know, well, it's, you know, for your phone or Instagram or something. I'm talking about like, you can print that. It's like fine art quality printable, like dang. So yeah, so there we are. So sit back, enjoy the show. These are the images that I've taken so far since January in 2026 that have made the cut. And I'd love your comments in terms of the images, in terms of, you know, if there's some you think that shouldn't be in my portfolio, they're not good enough, or if you think that they're all great and I shouldn't be so hard on myself, etc., that kind of a thing. I'd love your critique on these images. And so there it is. Again, not the first image. That's just a photograph of my porch in the middle of the night. Never meant that to be a spectacular composition. It was a test. The rest of the photographs, I think, are, you know, with 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 of them being like, yeah, that's what I want to say in my portfolio. And the rest of them, like, I think they could be in my portfolio. I have to think about them more. So I just loosened it up a little bit. So anyway, you get the idea. Enjoy the show. I did not put in, you know, which cameras I shot them with, which lenses I shot them with, what aperture, shutter speed. I didn't put in any of that information. Just enjoy the images as they come. The first half, they're in chronological order to a certain extent. Again, except for the first image of my porch. And the first third, maybe quarter of the images were Sony, and then the rest of the images were OM system cameras. And I have my own thoughts on that, which I'm not going to go into here, but please feel free to leave comments below. All right, so without further ado, as they say, here's the images. Okay, so there it is. That was all the images that I thought were worth showing you since the beginning of the year, 2026. I hope you enjoyed the show. As always, like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, but please subscribe. It helps the small channel out tremendously, and I really appreciate it if you do. Thank you. Also, my Patreon page, check that out. It's doing well, and I really enjoy the Patreon community we have over there. Great bunch of lads and ladies, and it's really cool and a fun thing that's happening there. So, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you out there. Have a great one. Bye.